Today is a short unpacking of my new purchase, the DJI AVATA copter, and at the end of the video is the first testing flight. In the same time it's a crash test. Yes, I'm full in the first time when I'm flying this drone. But spoiler, it was not my fault, I hope.
Drone and the googles too. These glasses are what this set was bought for. I'll change the copter, but I'm completely satisfied with the glasses. If you fly digitally, then now there are no options or alternatives, and these glasses are now the best on the market for FPV on digital. They are perfect. External battery, support for O3 units, the ability to connect to any FPV system, adapter USB-A to USB-C, strap, maybe to remote controller, glasses strap, lens mounts. If you have poor vision, you can make a lenses and put it here. Power cable, battery. What is especially valuable is that it is not built-in, and it can be replaced. Drum roll here. DJI dildo. Only the lazy one didn't joke about him. I honestly tried to find the right use for it, but this is a thing for completely newbies. And it's very inconvenient. There is no feedback or necessary control over the drone. Conclusion: this thing is useless. And here comes AVATA. First one. When everyone has been flying to the second for a long time, I review the first. Why? I still think that this is the best kit for entering FPV for the lazy. Exactly the first AVATA with these exact Google glasses too. The third glasses have one big drawback. They have only internal battery, and what you can do if this battery runs. Second, now they are incompatible with the O3 unit. I think they will probably solve this in the future. And this is AVATA, noisy staff. It has a lot of diseases, but once again, it's great for beginners. The second AVATA is probably also beautiful if I were lucky enough to buy a second one. It would also be an excellent investment. If you need a universal copter for filming and also for training FPV with which you can grow your skill, this is definitely AVATA. The main drawback is the price. The AVATA kit costs about $1,000. In addition, the kit still does not come with a remote control. The condition of the marketer's DJI is to sell you a dildo. Therefore, if you want to become the owner of AVATA, you must come to terms with the fact that you will have to buy it. And if you are not satisfied with the dildo, you need to buy an additional remote controller and additional batteries. For the price of one such battery, I think you can buy 2 or maybe even 3 batteries for a self-assembled FPV. I hope my next review will be of some Cinealog 35 or Fly Racer. I have already found the copter I want to buy. All I have to do is find the money and buy it. I want to say about the price. If you want a copter with good radio, good equipment, and good glasses, then it will also be expensive. AVATA is of course expensive, but a good digital set also costs significantly more than $1,000. This is ND. Important stuff to fly with sun. $80. I think I saw the entire copter on analog for this money. Remote controller V2 with antenna. To fly on FPV, you will have to relax the left stick. To do this, you need to disassemble the controller and unscrew the stick mount. By default, both sticks are spring-loaded for flights in stabilization mode. 3 position switches and buttons. Everything is very compact and convenient. The remote control has no complaints. Someone say that this is not a very good remote control, and sometimes the signal can be lost with it. I had one such situation. The reason is not fully understood.
And here is my first fly and first crash. Now it's everything good, but next moment Avata lost the remote controller signal. Now it's just useless. I tried to control it, but Avata turned on return to home mode. Crash the lamp, and I still try to use controller, try to bind it again, but Avata go to the tree and I cannot do nothing. The crash test passed perfectly, but for loss of the signal without reason with the remote controller is unsatisfactory. But I'm still happy with this drone. My opinion, this is an excellent drone for a start the FPV pilot's journey.